Today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on account. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, so you just go here above this sign, you click on it. When you just click on this sign here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next here, when you come to next step here, so you just go down, you come here to use Josh ID to authenticate payments, click in this sign. So you click here on cancel here, because you have to add or play, you add your fingerprint here. So when you just add it here, then automatically it's going to add with you on your app, so or it's going to enable with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.